everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small Amazon haul. Yeah, I think it's a haul. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I kind of grabbed some stuff. Amazon had some items I have a habit of leaving items in the cart, and sometimes every now and then Amazon discounts some of the items that, oh, you know what, I really wanted to pick it up. So one of the things I've purchased it before and I just fell in love when I was using it. The current painting I'm working on is taking me a bit, so I can't really switch out the diamonds to another storage unit, so I just bought another one. These are the Craftmates lockables that I really liked, that I purchased before, and I did an unboxing. It was another Amazon haul video I did. They discounted this one at around $17, and I knew I had to pick it up. I really do enjoy using it. Apologies for the sound, I forgot it was wrapped in plastic when I first got it. And I love using it for that other painting I'm working on. It's a square painting, so it's taking me a bit. And since I saw they discounted to $17, I thought, you know what? I'll just have two. I have 5 Elizabeth Ward containers, so might as well have 2 Craftmates. So these containers are really neat. They come in this little, to me it makes me think of a binder. So I'm a big fan of that. And to me, it's a lot easier just to carry it around, since you can have, you know, your painting or any accessories you're using kind of stacked up on top of the box. Big fan of that. It has these little press-on latches, as you heard me unclip it. Really sturdy. Let me just slip this off real quick, or just tear it off. Apologies for the tearing sound. I thought maybe I could slide it off, but now it's really secure. It just has information about how the whole container works. It contains 56 in total. Yes, compartments. And in the back, it just shows different items you can put in and how the whole item works. Big fan of that. I kind of don't need one. So, as you can see, it's a nice, kind of really velvety, soft material on it. And it's purple. Blue is my favorite color, but I do like purple. And the way it looks, it has these little plastic slips that hold the lines of these containers, and each one I believe is 7. Wait, 1 2 3 4, yes, 7. So all you really do is just pull them out, but since it's kind of new, I think the plastic might be having it a little held down when I'm trying to slide them out. That happened to me last time. I don't know why I didn't think of, oh, maybe I should open it ahead. Now I was just real excited putting it aside so I can show it to you. Oh, here we go. So the neat thing about it is that it has this little bar, as you can see. So it keeps all the containers secured so they don't open. You can only open them when you press the button and select, let's say this one, for example, to open. And when you let it go, everything else secures back. So you'd use whatever whatever diamond you're using. Once you're done, just click it close, and that's it. And then you would move on to the next color. Each compartment does that. So if I select another one, they're new, so that's a little tough. And same thing, you would do the same thing, and all the others aren't opening. Big fan of that, because I have dropped it once, and luckily this latch is really sturdy. Didn't spill on me. So all you would have to pretty much do is just slide it back, and there you go. Just keep on trucking. I really didn't enjoy using this one for that painting, so as I said, that's why I picked it up again. And I was so excited that it was discounted, and I believe it might still be going around 17. I believe the standard price for this, I'm not too sure if it's 21 or 24. But when I saw it was 17, I had to pick it up. So, and for all the items I'm showing today, I'll make sure to put a description below if maybe one of these Craftmates might be your style as well. On the side as well, you can slip in anything, you know, could be the name of a painting or whatever item you decide to use this wonderful container for. I love that they include that. Remember I said it makes me think of a binder? That's how I really like that. So let me put this aside real quick. And of course, I can't order Amazon without a painting. This one was also discounted as well, and I believe it was $3.99, but I'll make sure to put the price in the corner. I always do that whenever I show you all the items. Just you can see what, what the price it was when I purchased it. And this as well, I'll put in the description below, is this wonderful painting. Your cup of tea as well. So apologies, the glue of the bag kind of got stuck to the plastic on the drill bill. Let me just push that off real quick, put this aside. And the diamonds are within. That sounds so dramatic. And the standard kit, I believe I've purchased this brand before, is taped onto the diamonds. As you can see, it just has a standard kit, which is the tray, the wax, and the pen. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, use the pen, press it on the wax, press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if you lose the tray or cracks or anything, your next canvas you purchase will have one as well. They're standard. They always find you. This one's a little bit fancy, a little bit more fancier because it has a multi-placer 3, which is here attached onto the top of the pen, and your nice comfy grip here, so you can slip it onto the pen and be painting however long you want. And there's also some resealable bags, just in case you decide, you have any spare diamonds, or if you want to work out of a resealable bag. I love that they include these. That's why this one's a little bit fancier. They don't always include all those extra items. It's usually just the standard tray, wax, and pen. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. First one I saw was that wonderful blue. There's a lot of blue. Wonderful little pink, little purples. Let me see if I can fix the lighting a bit. And there we go. And oh my goodness, I just saw that violet. Oh, these colors are so pretty. Love that lime green. On the other side, wonderful reds. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I thought they were the same color. No, this one's lighter than this one. I gotta be careful with these two. And oh, these are real neat. All of these little packets, you would just cut them off, and you just cut the top of them, pour them out to any kind of container you want to work out of, or you can work out of the bag. They're really sturdy too. That's why I really like these little sachets. I'm a big fan of them. Yeah, they're 2 packets. This is really pretty blue. Ooh, I really want to kit this one up, but I'm currently working on my other Amazon painting. Once I complete that one, I'll kit up this one next. Oh, so pretty. I really love these diamonds. And this is the painting. I've seen this painting before on Amazon, and I really had thought of, oh, maybe I should pick it up one day. I was so glad that it was discounted, so that's why I picked it up. At the time of purchase, I believe there was a 10% off promotion code that was going on for this painting, and some other paintings that the seller was selling as well, but it was this painting that won me over. As you can see, it's the 4 seasons. It's spring, summer, fall, and winter, and I love this image. It's so pretty, and you can see all the different colors of all the different seasons, and I just love trees. And I love seasons, so this worked out for me, and it's so pretty. I'm a big fan of it. And I put it upside down so you can see the other seasons. My goodness, I could already see this on my wall. It's so pretty. I'm a big fan of it. And some information about this painting. It is G6909 and is a 30 by 40. It has 30 colors. I usually don't see 30 by 40s with that many. I think it's because there's a lot of little confetti in the base of the trees. I really want to see what the color effect looks on this one. And the legend, numbers 1 through 9 are in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 10 all the way to 30, they are capitalized letters. They're not in order, they're random, but there's no symbols, so that's a bonus for me. On the top left corner is a small thumbprint of the image, just in case you want to reference a color. I do love these little thumbprints to help me out. And they do the other neato thing I love. On the top left, lower right, they have 2 legends of all the colors. I'm a big fan of it because I do spin my diamond paintings around when I'm painting. Big fan of that. I really like it. And the plastic on this painting is really sturdy, as you can hear, and really smooth. Big fan of that. And apologies for that. Sorry, there was a car racing by and it got really close, really loud. Sorry about that. And the stick, and I think they're still driving around. Okay, I think they left. Sorry about that. And the stick on these canvases, I'm a big fan of. Really sturdy. Ooh, that was tough. And I love these paintings. Every time I get them on Amazon, they're just spot on, and I love that. And the back of the canvas is a little rough, as you can hear, and they're really sturdy. I love hanging these. I hang a lot of these on my wall without a frame or anything. I'm a big fan of them. Oh, I really love this canvas. And as you can see, it's really, really clear. I don't think I need to put a little image. As you can see it, it's really, really clear. Each season, you can see it real clearly. I was worried fall might be a little bit too much red, but it's actually a really nice dark orange, as you can see, with some highlights of a really dark red. The background of the yellow is helping contrast it, so I think that's why it looks super clear. And the drill field as well. All the symbols are really, really clear. Oh, that's surprising to me. The majority of it is the same blue, which is 996, but you can see the lettering on it real clearly. I'm a big fan of that. Oh my goodness, I want to work on this painting. And even though this canvas was folded in half, I usually just put in my portfolio. The crease does go away after a while, or you can place some heavy books and it will straighten out. That is it all for me. As I said, I put them in the portfolio. It's good to go. Neato thing about this painting at the bottom, it has instructions in case you're new to diamond painting. So if you're new to the craft, don't worry. Even the painting will help you out. Oh, I really, really love this painting. So that's all I really wanted to show today. And I said all of these items, I'll put in information down below in the description. If maybe the Four Seasons is your cup of tea as well. Oh my goodness, I really love this painting. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really, really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter what season it is. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.